Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And today I have this really cool Bluetooth speaker that's 360-degree audio. So there's no reason to have multiple speakers. It's also a light that flickers. It looks like a candle. So it has cool ambiance. You can have it solid or you can have it flickering. And it sounds really good. It's really nice. We're doing an unboxing of this bad boy. I've already used it. It is beautiful. It does have a passive radiator on the front, okay, which is nice. It adds a little bit of bass to it. And the speaker is literally facing down, okay? And it's kind of cone, so the audio spreads 360 degrees evenly, so you can have one speaker to pleasure everyone in your area. It does come with a rod, like a stake that goes into the ground. It's not all that tall because it is heavy, right? It's kind of heavy, so you don't want this thing to be wobbly. It also has a rubber base so you can stick it on a tabletop. It does come with a hook, so if you wanted to hang it, and it's really nice. It actually sounds very, very good. Slides together and there's your shaft. Then you have this part that goes on top with the thread. And by the way, it's the same thread as a tripod. So if you wanted to use a tripod and screw it down, you could do that too. Okay, and there you go. That's it. You stick it in the ground like so. And then you have the speaker. You can put this down. You don't need that up unless you're going to hang it. This is a single pairing speaker. It pairs really good. I actually have one of the songs that I created myself, so we don't get any copyright issues. Comes with a Type-C charging cable, no power adapter to charge it, just a cable for Type-C. Most people have Type-C if you have Samsung phones, and a hook if you're going to hook it somewhere. So you can do it like this, another hook like so, and there's your hook. So it does come with that. So let's see how this thing sounds. Let's go to the Bluetooth. It comes up as, it's AJ200 is the device name for the product. So these are music that I actually created myself. Now this is max volume. No distortion. It's maxed. Now, hey Google, turn off the studio.
Okay, turning off studio.
A solid off flashing. On the front, there are controls. Volume up, volume down. Next, light power, which is this one here. And the power for the device. So you can shut it off. The top one here is power. I'm covering it. It's a great product. It's really good. There we go.
Sure, turning on studio.
Alright, so this is a very, very good product. You don't have to have the Bluetooth speaker on for the light. If you just want the light by itself, you could do that as well. This is a great product. It's going to get the JoeteckTips 4-star rating. It doesn't look like you could take this bad boy apart This is not solar, so you must charge it externally. But overall, the product is great, and the passive radiator in the front adds the necessary base to it for what it is. So I'm going to take this outside. You can clearly see this is a really good product. Does what it says it could do. Not a big fan of the stake. I think this is better for tabletop. And that's pretty much it. It works really well. But I like it. I like it a lot. I'm definitely going to use it, especially if I'm just in the backyard and I want something basic. Even bringing it on the boat. If you want to bring a Bluetooth speaker, want to have some music on the boat, this will work perfect. Hang it someplace, stream from your phone right to this thing, and I think it'll be great. And it even adds ambient lighting if you needed it. I mean, most people have Bluetooth, capability on the boat and all that stuff. But hey, if you don't want to use the batteries on the boat and you want to be able to start it again, nothing wrong with bringing a little Bluetooth speaker with you. Anyway, guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Yeah, tongue-tied here. Have a link in the description below to purchase this, and you're good to go. If you want to become a patron, make sure you hit that like so it changes the algorithm and people watch this video more, and my channel can grow a little bit bigger. And that's pretty much it. Take care, and we'll see you next time.